everyone, so your Queen Alice is here with another very amazing and profitable project. So guys, as I always say, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am here with the Bossa.io. So today I will tell you each and everything about this amazing token. You have to watch full video till end, don't skip any part of the video. So Bossa.io, the future of organic content automation. So guys, when you are buying this amazing token, you have to be careful because their official CA or contract address is on their website. Here is the official Solana address. When you are buying this amazing token, you have to be careful and you have to copy this. When you are buying this, you have to copy this contract address from their website, and I will also provide this link in my description. You can copy from there and you can be the holder of this amazing token. So here today we will discuss about Bossa.io white paper, pitch deck, and who is behind Dex Screener. It is also on Solscan.io, and we will check out its tokenomics. So we will support Meta, Instagram, Pinterest, Shopify, and WordPress blogs. So what Bossa.io is? It's a game changer in the e-commerce marketing, and by combining the power of AI-driven automation, personalized content generation, competitive analysis, Bossa.io empowers business to elevate their marketing efforts and maximize their organic reach, social media and the blog platform. So in their white paper, we will dive into their features, benefit, and detailing about how it revolutionized the e-commerce marketing and enhanced the brand visibility and engagement. So guys, here is the tokenomics of Bossa.io. So it's fair, fun, and community driven project. Its total supply is 1 billion token, which are fair and fully distributed launch. So here the structure of token distribution: 90% is for the community, pre-seed and marketing is 6%, charity is 1%, and owner have 3%. So why choose Bossa? Because it is powered by the Solana, fast, secure, and low transaction fee. It's a community centered. You hold the majority of the power and tokens. So more than a memes, it's a fun, impactful, and here to make a difference. So you have to join the Bossa revolution today. Together we'll create a meme coin that's fair, fun, and meaningful. So you have to buy and hold it now. So I will show you where you can buy and the Dex Screener link also. So here is the token map. So let's dive deep into it. So here is the Q1 phase, which is the token launch. Q1, Bossa is learning and moving forward. Bossa is going mainstream. Q1, Q2. Q2 is about Bossa become a winner, and Q2 is the Bossa software MVP is going live. So here is the amazing roadmap for the future planning of the Bossa.io, which is Q3, Q4, and the Q1, Q4. And here you can check out starting successful international marketing campaigns. Bossa slowly moves out. MVP stage software is going live, and Bossa is a live celebration. Meme coin is live on the Pump Fund, ready for investor. And here you can check out the news of Bossa.io. Token is live on Pump Fund, and it's reaching 12k MC and King of the Hill progress. And here white paper and buy boot is live on the TG. So here is the white paper, so you can check out their white paper. So Bossa.io is revolutionizing the e-commerce and marketing with AI powered automation and tokenomics. Here the abstract, why we are using this, and here you can read out. Here is the introduction, key feature, because it is a fully automated marketing, scheduling, AI powered content generation, competitive analysis, integrations of birthdays and national holidays. It is also powered by the Bossa meme coin. So here are the benefits. What this Bossa.io gives you the benefits, because it's efficiency, it's increased organic reach, personalization, competitive advantage, and flexibility. And here are the conclusions. Here you can check out the additional features also, which are the automated blog post generation for Shopify and the WordPress. So guys, in this world of digital era, you need this amazing platform. So key benefits of the automated blog post generation are the enhanced SEO performance and increased brand authority, time and resource saving, consistent content publishing. And here are the conclusions you can read out. So you have to follow their social media account to be the part of this strong community. I will show you their communities in later part of my video. You can join the news. So this is the amazing part, who is behind this amazing project. So here you can check out, you don't have to miss out, you have to join their cool community to get awesome updates and pre-launch date. So let's dive deep into who is behind this amazing token. So guys, this man is behind this amazing work. He is the Mads Hotman. Here you can check out, I will provide this link in my description. So let's dive deep into what he is working through and what he have earned. So here we go, it's the Hotman Studio. Graphic designer, UX UI designer, digital product designer, AI and content automation, e-commerce. Here you can check, he have explored graphic designs, UX UI designs, digital product design and art direction for the past 20 years. So he's working with the diverse clients and the industries. So he have owned many skills and knowledge about this virtual creative area of the developed passion for storytelling. And here you can check out some of his work, and here is the Hotman Studio work. Here you can check out, and here you have a look on it, and here you can check out its talented work. So he have sold cases for a wide range of companies over the past 20 years. So guys, here you can check out its, and here you can go through it. So guys, here is a pump fund link for Bossa.io. Here you can check out its completely bluish graph. It's increasing day by day. If you hold it today, you will be get benefited tomorrow. So guys, here is the description available about the Bossa.io. And here how you can buy this amazing token. You have to enter the amount of SOL, as here I have put 0.05 SOL, and this amount of Bossa token I can place trade. You can check out Bossa.io on the SOL scanner and on the DEX screener. So I will provide you the link in description so you can analyze the chart and the value and the total market cap and liquidity. So guys, let's dive into their communities. This is their Telegram communities, Bossa.ai meme coin. So the future of organic content automation. So you have to join their Telegram community and Twitter community if you want to get updated about the latest updation and announcement of Bossa.io. So guys, here is about the Bossa.io future organic content. So here is the Telegram community. So here is their Twitter accounts. You can join their Twitter account for their latest updation and related. Here you can check out the related post of Bossa.io on the Twitter account also. So guys, how was the video? Please like and comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.